Good morning, children. Already in the first lesson of science, we learnt about types of plants. This is the last topic of the lesson. Okay? How many types of plants I told you? 5 types. Already explained all of those. Okay? Now I am going to explain how the plant is getting its food. How the plant is getting its food. Okay? Green plant make their own food. How the plants are getting food? Are we giving food to them? Are we giving food to them? Are you all giving food to them? How you are eating food daily? Daily you are eating food. If you are hungry, your mother gives you food, isn't it? Your mother prepares food very fast. She will give you snacks, isn't it? Pizzas, burgers, noodles. You all eat all of this. Are you giving Are you giving all of these to plants? No, you are not giving anything to the plants. మీరు ఇస్తున్నారా ప్లాంట్స్ కి పిజ్జాలు బర్గర్లు అవన్నీ పెడుతున్నారా రోజు? No, you are not. Are you giving any biryani, white rice to the plants? No, you are not giving anything, isn't it? Then how the plant is preparing its food? How the plant is preparing its food? Plant is preparing its food by its own. తనంతట తనే food prepare చేసుకుంటుంది. Okay? Today's our topic is green plants prepare their own food. Today's our topic is green plants make their own food. Green plant make their own food. How the plant is preparing its own food. Food ఎలా prepare చేసుకుంటుంది. Now we are going to learn. Okay, come on. Now here I am drawing you one plant. Can we see the roots? Can we see the roots? No, we can't see the roots. Yes, this is the root part. Already I told you this is the stem part. These are branches, these are leaves, these are flowers. How the plant is preparing its food? Daily, day by day, the plant is growing or not? Yes, it is growing. How it is growing without food? Are you giving any food to the plants? No, you are not giving any food. Then how it is preparing? Today we are going to learn. With the help of air. With the help of air. Air, gari. Water. W-A-T-E-R, water. And sunlight. With the help of air, water and sunlight, the plant is preparing its own food. Okay. How the plant is preparing its own food? With the help of air, water and sunlight, the plant is preparing its own food. Okay, come on. How? Once I will show you. Here, if you keep the plant in the sunlight, if you keep the plant in the sunlight, this is the sun, Amma. If you keep the plant in the sunlight, the sunlight helps the plant to prepare its own food. Daily you are all are having so many plants in your houses, isn't it? Daily what you will do? You will pour some water, isn't it? Daily you will pour some water, isn't it? You will pour water here. With the help of mug, you will pour some water into this pot, isn't it? Yes. With the help of sunlight, water and air. Daily, I already told you, plants are useful, very useful for us. How we are using the plants? What the plants give us? Plants are giving us fresh and clean air, isn't it? Plants are giving fresh and clean air. What the plants are giving? Plants are giving us fresh and clean air. If you go to the garden, there are number of plants. We can see the number of plants there. What the plants are giving us? Plants all are giving us fresh and clean air. Yes, we are breathing daily, isn't it? We are taking in air, isn't it? that we are what the air we are taking in, that air is called as oxygen. That air we called as oxygen. O-X-Y-Z-E-N, oxygen. From where this oxygen is coming from? From the plants only we are getting oxygen. From the plants only we are getting the oxygen. I already told you, plants give us fresh and clean air. Clean air, that is oxygen. We are getting oxygen only from the fresh and clean air, isn't it? From where the fresh and clean air is coming? From the plants only. This is fresh, F-R-E-S-H, fresh, and clean, C-L-E-A-N, clean, A-I-R, air. You have to grow number of plants in your house also, so that you can get fresh and clean air. Okay. We are taking in the oxygen. Locally, we oxygen తీసుకున్నాం. We are breathing daily, isn't it? How we will breathe? We will breathe in. Locally గాలి తీసుకున్నాం. And we are releasing some air also outside, isn't it? That air is warm. కొంచెం వేడిగా ఉంటుంది. చూడండి అమ్మా, లోపలికి గాలి తీసుకుంటున్నాం కదా, దాన్ని we call it as oxygen. What we are releasing out? See, this is oxygen. I release some air, isn't it, outside? That is very warm. ఒకసారి మీరు బయటికి వదిలినప్పుడు that air is warm. కొంచెం వేడిగా వెచ్చగా ఉన్నట్టు ఉంటుంది. That air is we call it as carbon dioxide. C-A-R-B-O-N, carbon, D-I-O-X-I-D-E, carbon dioxide. See, మనం లోపలికి తీసుకుంటున్న గాలిని ఆక్సిజన్ అంటాం. బయటికి వదిలేసిన గాలిని కార్బన్ డయాక్సైడ్ అంటాం. From where we are getting this oxygen? From the plants. From the plants we are getting oxygen, isn't it? We are releasing carbon dioxide. మనం ఏ వదులుతున్నాం బయటికి? We are releasing carbon dioxide. The name of that air is called carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is very useful to the plants to prepare their food. Okay, carbon dioxide is very useful to the plant to prepare food. Plants food ఎలా prepare చేసుకుంటున్నాయి? You are giving anything to the plants? You are giving any rice, biryani, curry to the plants? No. What you are doing simply? You are keeping the plant near the sunlight and you are pouring some water, isn't it? Yes. With the help of the air. What we release the air, the name of the air is carbon dioxide. Water and sunlight, the plant is preparing its own food. The plant is preparing its own food. How the plant is preparing its own food? With the help of air, water and sunlight. Sunlight nunchi, ee water manam posin water nunchi, air nunchi, it is preparing its own food. Advaindamma, did you understand? Green plants make their own food. Tana food ni ave prepare cheskuntayi. Where the plants will prepare its food? Do it have any kitchen? We will prepare our food in the kitchen, isn't it? Mari plants food ekkada prepare cheskuntayi? Mari what is called the kitchen of the plant? Leaf. What is called the kitchen of the plant? Leaf is called the kitchen of the plant. Mari మనం అయితే కిచెన్ లో వండుకుంటాం కదా వంట. మరి ప్లాంట్స్ వంట ఎక్కడ చేసుకుంటాయి? Where they will prepare food? In the leaves. ఆకుల్లో they will prepare food. In the leaves. This is the leaf part of a plant. Here they will prepare food. Here the plant will prepare its food. Prepare its food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Isn't it? Okay? Up to here, are you clear? Okay. Mari, for 1 week we are getting vegetables, fruits, so many food items. Are we eating all in one day? No, we are not eating all of them in one day. Where we are keeping all those? We are storing in the refrigerator. Refrigerator. See, this is the new word for you. Refrigerator. Refrigerator means fridge. Nothing but fridge. Fridge lo we will store food items in the fridge, isn't it? We will store number of food food items in the fridge like fruits, vegetables, we all store in the this refrigerator. Refrigerator is nothing but fridge. Then where the plant, here coming to the plant, where the plant is storing its excess food. మరి ప్లాంట్ కి ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నంత ఫుడ్ ఒక రోజు తినలేకపోయింది అనుకో, మరి అది ఎక్కడ, వేర్ ఇట్ విల్ కీప్ ఇట్స్ ఫుడ్? yes, they will store in the other parts of the plant. వేరే వేరే parts లో they will store the food items. వేరే వేరే parts అంటే already I told you about the parts of a plant. Plants will store extra food in roots. Okay, sir, ఎక్కువ ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసేసుకుంది అనుకో, this leaf part nunchi it will carry to the roots part. Stem lo koncham food unchukuntadi. Again leaves lo koncham food unchukuntundi. Again flowers lo, fruits lo they will store. How we are storing food in the refrigerator, like that the plant is also storing its extra food in the parts of a plant. మనకి ఎలా అయితే ఎక్స్ట్రా ఫుడ్ ఫ్రిడ్జ్ లో పెట్టుకుంటున్నామో అలాగే ప్లాంట్ ఒకరోజే ఫుడ్ ఎక్కువ ప్రిపేర్ చేసేసుకుంటే దానికి ఎక్స్ట్రా అంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉన్న ఫుడ్ ఇట్ విల్ కీప్ ఇన్ ద అదర్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ప్లాంట్. అదర్ పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ప్లాంట్ అంటే కొంచెం ఫుడ్ ఫ్లవర్స్ లో ఉంచుకుంటారు, కొంచెం ఫుడ్ లీవ్స్ లో, కొంచెం స్టెమ్ పార్ట్ లో ఉంచుకుంటారు, కొంచెం రూట్స్ పార్ట్ లో ఉంచుకుంటారు. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్? కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ దిస్ టాపిక్? మా గ్రీన్ ప్లాంట్స్ మేక్ దేర్ ఓన్ ఫుడ్. How the plant prepare its own food? With the help of air, water and sunlight. We have to give air, water and sunlight. If you pour water daily, the plant day by day it grows well. Okay, you have to plant more trees in your trees in your houses also, so that we can get fresh and clean air. It is very good for our health. Okay, we completed first lesson today. Okay, I'll give you some, already I gave you 5 dictation words. Now I'll give you another that old 5 dictation words and another new 10 dictation words and question and answers. Okay, follow me, spell along with me. Okay Nama? What is the name of the first lesson? Types of plants. What is the name of the first lesson? Types of plants. First Roman, new words. First Roman, what is the first Roman? New words. What is the first Roman? New words. That is new to you, new to this, new to you. These are the new words. Okay ma? First one, already I told you 5 words. I told you. Different. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. Second one, A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. Third one, Gulmohar. Third one, Gulmohar. Fourth one, Woody. Fourth one, Woody. Fifth one, branches. Already these 5 already I told in the last class. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T. Different. A-R-O-U-N-D. Around. G-U-L-M-O-H-A-R. Gulmohar. W-O-O-D-Y. Woody. B-R-A-N-C-H-E-S. Branches. Up to here we learned in the previous class. Now I am going to tell another 5 dictation words. Sixth one. Come on, come to the sixth one. Delicate. D. C. D. E. D. E. L. I. C. A. T. E. Delicate. D. E. L. I. C. A. T. E. Delicate. D. E. L. I. C. A. T. E. Delicate. D. E. L. I. C. A. T. E. Delicate. Seventh one. Support. S. U. P. P. O. R. refrigerator, 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 that means fridge. We all are having fridge in our houses now. This is refrigerator. Fridge, nothing but fridge. refrigerator, refrigerator. Okay, next, ninth one, banyan. This is the name of a tree, ma. Banyan. 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 This is the name of a tree. Banyan tree. It lived for hundreds of years. Okay, banyan tree. Banyan. 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 Next, 10th one, tender. Tender. Tender means it is very easy to cut. Okay, tender. Tender. Okay. See how to read these easily. See once. Delicate. 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 Next, this one. Support. 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 This one. Refrigerator. 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 Next one, banyan. 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 Tender. 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 These are the new words for the first lesson. Okay? You have to spell along with me, then only you can get these. Okay, these are the new words for you know. These you have to spell along with me, then only you will get these. Okay, next, second Roman, I am going for question and answers. Q means question, A and S means answers. I am going for question and answers. What is the name of the lesson? Types of plants. How many types of plants? I already told you. 5 types. What are those? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. That is only answer. Come on, first question. Name the N-A-M-E. Name, N-A-M-E. Name the different, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different types, T-Y-P-E-S, different types. Name the different types of a plant. Name the different types of a plant. How many types of a plant? Plants are there? Answer. First one, already I told you, trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Second one, see, first letter only I am writing capital letter. First letter only I am writing capital letter. Once observe. And I wrote capital letter. Why? Because first letter you have to write capital letter. For the question you have to write question mark. Here answer, while starting the answer you have to write first letter capital letter. Trees. Second one, shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Shrubs. S-H-R-U-B-S. Creepers. 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 Once again, I'm telling you first question. Seema. Name. 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 The. The. Different. 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 Types. Types of a plant. How many types of plants are there? Trees. First one. Trees. 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 Second one. Shrubs. 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 Third one. Herbs. Herbs. Fourth one. Climbers. 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 And last one. Creepers. Creepers. This is the first question. Once again, I am telling you. See, name the different types of a plant. Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Climbers and creepers. Coming to the second question. What are trees? What are trees? Give example. What are trees? Give example. Examples. Okay. What are trees? I already told you what are trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. How the stem of the tree will be? Very strong and woody. Very strong and woody. Very strong and woody. Example for trees. What trees I told you? Already I explained you here. Banyan tree, neem tree, mango tree, coconut tree. We can give number of examples. Understood? Now I am writing answer. Answer. Big. Already explained. B-I-G. Big. B-I-G. Big. How I am writing first letter? Capital letter. Big and tall. Chala పొడుగ్గా ఉంటాయి. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. Big, B-I-G, big, A-N-D, and T-A-L-L, tall. P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. A-R-E-R, C-A-L-L-E-D, cord. Big and tall plants are called trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. How the stem of the trees? They have T-H-E-Y. They means here trees. Trees they have strong, very strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. And woody, W-O-O-D-Y, woody, W-O-O-D-Y, woody, W-O-O-D-Y, woody. Stem, they have strong and woody stem. Up to here, answer completed. Now, what another question? Give examples. What are the examples of trees? Easy spellings we can write here. Examples. E-X means examples. First one, neem. N-E-E-M, neem tree. And Mango tree are the examples of trees. Neem and mango. These are the examples of trees. Okay. First, see, what are trees? Give examples. What are trees? Give examples. Big and tall plants are called trees. They, T-H-E-Y, they, H-A-V-E, have strong and woody stem. Example for trees, neem, mango. Example for trees, neem, mango. Okay, Namma? Another two questions are there. Come on. Third question. What? W-H-A-T, first letter capital letter. What? K-I-N-D. What kind of stem? S-T-E-M. Stem. Does a herb have? Does a herb have? Herbs ki elanti stem untundi. Example for herbs, I told you coriander, కొత్తిమీర చూపించాను కదా. How the stem of the herbs will be? Green. First soft, చాలా smooth గా soft గా ఉంటుంది పట్టుకోవడానికి. Tender, it is very easy to cut. And in which color? Green color. That is the answer I am writing here. Okay, coming to the answer. Herbs, H capital letter, H-E-R-B-S. Herbs have, elanti stems untayi. Herbs have soft, S-O-F-T, soft. Next, tender, T-E-N-D-E-R, tender. And green, G-R-E-E-N, green stem. Herbs have soft, tender and green stem. S-O-F-T, soft. T-E-N-D-E-R, tender. And G-R-E-E-N, green. Another one more question. Coming to the fourth question. Coming to the fourth question. W-H-I-C-H, which? W-H-I-C-H, which plant? P-L-A-N-T, plant. Which plant grows along the ground? Along the ground. Ground లోనే అలాగా పాక్కుంటూ పైకెక్కకుండా ఉండే ప్లాంట్స్ ని ఏమంటామని చెప్పాం? Yes, creepers. Answer, creepers. C capital letter, C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers grow. Only creepers, which pieces creepers but the answer completed. Creepers grow along the ground. Okay, up to here I completed 4 questions. 10 dictation words and 4 questions. Once I am explaining, see, which plant? W-H-I-C-H, which plant? P-L-A-N-T, plant. G-R-O-W, grow along. అంటే నేల మీదే అలా పాకుతూ వెళ్ళే ప్లాంట్స్ ని ఏమంటాం? Which plant grow along the ground? G-R-O-U-N-D, ground అంటే కింద. ఓకే, ఏ ప్లాంట్స్ కింద పాకుతూ ఉంటాయి? క్రీపర్స్. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S, creepers grow along, G-R-O-W, grow A-L-O-N-G, along the ground. Okay, Namma? I explained 10 dictation words and 4 questions today. Okay, you have to learn. See this video more and more times. Write in one new book and you have to learn. Okay, Namma? Thank you.